Hi, it's Alicia and welcome back to my channel. And today's going to be part 2 of my men's dress shirt recreation series. So if you haven't seen part 1, please go check it out. In that one I transformed my dad's old party shirt and I made it into a more girlier top that has a straight neckline, some bell sleeves, and a tie waistband. So in today's transformation, I'm going to be transforming my grandpa's old dress shirt into a skirt. Let's get started. Lay the shirt on a flat surface and cut it straight under the sleeves. Trace it to make sure you cut straight across. Remove the pocket by seam ripping every 3 to 5 stitches. And it should come out easily if you pull on it. Cut off the sleeves, and they will be used for the pockets, the waistband, and if you want your skirt to be wider, you can add fabric on the sides. The circumference should be at least 1.5 times your waist measurement. Cut the sleeve open to be able to lay it down flat. To make the pockets, place your hand diagonally onto the fabric and trace it out with an extra inch all around. Cut it out with some scissors. Repeat this step 3 more times to have a total of 4 pocket pieces. And now it's time to assemble the pockets. Mark 2 inches below the top and mark the size of the pocket. Seam rip the side seam until you get to about 1 inch below the pocket marking. Pin the pockets with them pointing to the inside and do the same thing for the back. Sew the pocket down layer by layer. Next, flip the pockets and top stitch them down. Sew as close as possible to the seam to make them lay flat. Turn the entire skirt inside out and sew the sides down. And here is the completed pockets. Cut the bottom of the skirt at the same length. Hem the edges by folding them twice and pin it. Sew it with a straight stitch. For the waistband, use the other sleeve to have a rectangle that is the same width as a skirt and 4 inches long. However, I should have made it 5 inches long because I want the top of the waistband to ruffle, and my ruffle came out half an inch long, but would have been better if it was an inch. Cut out all the rectangles and don't forget to include seam allowance. Fold all of the pieces in half with an iron. Open them up and place them right sides together and sew it. Do this for all the pieces and it should give a long loop of fabric. With the skirt and waistband inside out, place them right sides together and pin it down. Sew it in about half an inch. It should give something like this. Fold the waistband up and flip the skirt to the right side. Fold the waistband in half and sew the top part in about half an inch. If you made the waistband 5 inches tall, sew it in an inch and the ruffles will be more visible. Tuck the raw edges in and fold it down enough to hide all the stitches on the other side. Do this all around the skirt, but leave an opening at the back for the elastic. Top stitch the waistband and don't forget to stop when you get to the opening. And here is the completed waistband. The last thing to do is to insert the elastic. Take a safety pin and attach it to the end of the elastic. Thread it into the loop until it reaches the other side. Try it on and adjust the elastic to fit you. Pin it down and sew it. cut the extra elastic off and sew the opening closed. Top stitch it down. And we're done. Here's the final transformation. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!